What's good going today, good guys? And today we're making some top ramen beef flavored noodles. These are pretty much Asian food. So, and first you want to head over to the stove, and you want to get a little bit of water because then it won't cook and to absorb the ramen, and make sure you get a little hole in there. There you go. And so we're just gonna let that cook, and we'll come back to you when it happens. So here we are back in the kitchen after about 6 hours. What you want to do is you want to get your seasoning. Go ahead and open it up. Toss them on there. Now you don't really have to mix it up. It's a good garnish for just about anything. You want to go grab your local pepper, sprinkle some of that on there. Here guys, this looks actually very appetizing. I would eat this if I wasn't getting— You! Get over here! I thank you for stopping by Aaron's cooking show. I really hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. I didn't realize that it was, you know what, stop by next video somewhere around next week, and that's it for today, guys.